My name is Caleb Moore. I go to the University of Arkansas, Fort Smith. I enjoyed my experience this summer, and I would recommend it to other students who are in the hard sciences. I would not recommend this program to anybody who's faint of heart. They expect you to be passionate about what you're working with, not just come in, clock in kind of thing. No, this is a real experience. I would encourage other people to do scientific research by telling them that it's needed. It is so needed. There are so many problems that need to be solved in our world for us to survive. Our population's going through the roof, global warming, how are we gonna have enough food? There are so many problems, and there are so many people out there that have new ideas that could help solve these problems.